Are you interested in water resource strategy and legislation? Can you work independently and as part of a team? Do you have strong problem-solving abilities? Are you analytical with excellent critical thinking capacity? Do you have good communication and negotiation skills? If you've said yes to these questions, the occupation of water inspector might be the one for you. In South Africa, these inspectors monitor the allocation and the use of water from water resources. These workers are also known as water resource inspectors. Water resource management deals with the present and future demand for water. They consider options for meeting these demands by means of new resources such as dams and reservoirs. They ensure that enough water is conserved in the country's reserve to provide for basic human needs and to protect water ecosystems. In each of South Africa's 19 water management areas, the National Water Act regulates the way in which surface water and groundwater are protected, used, developed, conserved, managed and controlled. A clean and reliable water supply is vital for human health and for economic development through its use in commerce, industry and agriculture. Water resource inspectors monitor the allocation and use of these water resources. These inspectors work as part of the team that manages water resources. They consider the availability of water, how much is needed, for what particular uses. Water resource inspectors work for government departments and agencies. There are a number of tasks carried out by the water resource inspectors. They play an important role in the management of these water resources. The inspectors regulate water licensing and permits in South Africa. They facilitate investigations to monitor compliance and identify future supply options. They inspect where water is abstracted from for domestic use, irrigation, watering of livestock, industrial and mining purposes. They also check water storage facilities such as in-stream and off-channel dams. They inspect places where the flow of water in a stream or river has been diverted using structures such as weirs, bridges or pipelines. Water resource inspectors use computers and IT management systems to perform many of their admin tasks. These include receiving and assessing online applications for water licenses and permits. They use Geographic Information Systems or GIS to monitor and analyze geographical data, as well as aerial imagery to monitor that water is only used for the purpose it's authorized for. These inspectors work in an office environment, but are often required to undertake field inspections. They consult with community members. They conduct site inspections and travel to rural areas to monitor local water usage and requirements. To enter the occupation of a water resource inspector, a tertiary qualification in a relevant field such as geography, environmental science, hydrology or engineering will be required. Further relevant in-house training will be given. There are many workers that provide supplementary services at municipality level. They include meter readers and those responsible for billing clients. In some cases, it means providing lorry loads of water to communities living in informal settlements. Advancement in this field will involve further training and education. A postgraduate degree in water resources or engineering hydrology might be required.